description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one. This is from Prince Katsu, which is kind of an offshoot of Asha Dry Noodle. This is Prince Katsu Kuromi pho noodle soup with a spicy beef affectation to it. It's made in Vietnam. The Asha is a Taiwanese company. But yeah, cool. That's what we are doing today. Yes. So I'm excited. Big thanks to James from Lakeside, California for sending this along. He sent a lot of cool stuff, and I'm hoping there'll be some more cool stuff soon, because I'm starting to get low on varieties to review, but I know there's more coming, so we'll see. I'm excited. I've been doing a lot of reviewing. This is Wednesday. This will be the 9th one this week. It's cold outside. I did get out and walked a bit, but I've been having a lot of pain. I've been having a lot of pain. But no, I got out and walked, and I walked enough so I wouldn't be in a horrible situation with my pain. That's okay. I'm doing all right. 3 minutes starting now, and that's not a pain. I have an exciting thing to share. Not this one, because this is only 3 minutes. And not the next one, because that one's only 3 minutes. But the one after that. That one I'll share the neat, exciting thing. Which you'll probably be like, really? But yeah, I'm excited about it. Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So, yeah. Got out, walked a bit. When I got up, it was 19 degrees outside. And when I was getting home, there's starting to be the inkling of a breeze. And it started getting frickin' bone-chilling cold, let me tell you. When I was out, it was maybe like 26. But that little breeze picks up. I mean, barely at all. And all of a sudden, it's just like, whoa, dude. That's cold. Yeah. Yeah. Today's musical selection is all stuff that I made on Suno, suno.ai, suno.ai. It's AI music. You just type in a prompt and it makes stuff. I'm very curious if it'll trigger some kind of like copyright thing. It shouldn't. I will say that much. It shouldn't. But yeah. But yeah, pho. All the ones I'm doing, this one's a beef. The next one's not really a beef, but it's probably going to be a beef. And then the last one is definitely, it's a spicy beef. So I think they're all spicy beef. So I've got Chinese sausage. I asked a guy, God, I want to say that was like almost 15 years ago. So what do you add to your beef instant noodles? It was a guy from Singapore. He was like, oh, Chinese sausage. That's like the best thing to add to beef instant noodles. I'm like, all right. He's like, it goes really well on the sauerkraut beef ones. I'm like, okay. It's nice because they last a long time. And honestly, when I cook beef on the stove, it's like I don't need much of it. And that's the problem. It's easy to have it dry out. And I don't want to have something that looks like, here are these nice looking noodles and broth, and then here's this cardboard looking funk. I mean, it's just a lot easier just to make Chinese sausage. Chinese sausage is good. I usually get the, what is it, Cam Yen variety. That stuff's pretty good. And it's made in the US. There won't be any import restriction on that as far as I know, or cost hikes on that. There could be from wherever they source the meat to make these. So who's to say? Who is to plan or know what tomorrow will bring? But rest assured, if you do like paper forks, or paper, if you like paper forks, if you like paper straws, they're not going away for you. They're not. I rarely have any need to use a straw, you know. But here's our noodle. It's rather al dente. I think this probably could use another couple of minutes. Personally. There's our broth. Nice bit of oiliness to it. A little touch of spiciness. Beefy? I don't know. It's not bad. Beefy? I'm not sussing out a whole bunch of beefitude, but it's good. It's good. So that's a word that my children say all the time. And I don't think they really understand it. It's not even a word. They just say, that's a little sus. They love repeating things that a lot of idiots say on YouTube. I don't think I'm an idiot on YouTube. If you're thinking I'm gonna go that route, no. But they listen to these guys that just like scream their heads off and yell all the time, and it's like, no. Actually, we talked to the school district and said, hey, on their school tablets, can you make it so there's no YouTube? They're like, oh, we can help with that. Really? I was expecting some kind of, well, we don't like to limit the horizons of children and blah, blah. No, they were all over it. She's like, I get it. You're not the first person to ask. Here you go. And then all of a sudden they're like, hey, it says we can't go to YouTube, Papa. I'm like, oh. Well, what says that? It's the school message. I'm like, oh. Well, they must have outlawed YouTube for the school. It says our account doesn't... No. It must be all for the whole school. It's funny, though, because all this YouTube stuff... You know, there's like YouTube Kids and all these things that are supposed to be like kid friendly and that stuff. Man, they are not. It's like when they were really, really young, they started watching YouTube and they were like watching stuff where people were dropping F-bombs. And it's like, no. So we removed the YouTube app. These freaking kids are so dang resourceful, and I was like really proud that they figured it out. So they would go into like the terms and service. They went into the terms and service for some reason for the Sesame Street app, and at the bottom it has a thing about privacy and security and stuff, and it's a YouTube video. So they found that, and then they found that they could go into YouTube and circumnavigate the thing. So it used the browser on their Android or their Amazon tablets. I was like, no. It was nuts, but kids these days, I tell ya. again to James from Lakeside, California for sending this over. And the next one, thanks to the Tapatio Ramen people for sending that over. This is Tapatio Ramen birria flavor, and I've never had birria. It's a popular thing to have ramen and birria. It's I need to go to one of the food trucks because there's a brewery nearby here, and every day they have a food truck. And there's one that's that they make birria ramen. So I got to get over there, get some of it, do all that deal thing. Yeah. Anyways, like, subscribe. It makes you a better person. Have a good one. Bye-bye.